If you're a graphic artist geek and you like to create your own images, maybe you create social media content, infographics, things like that, and you're a big Canva user like this guy right here, I've been using Canva for about 3 years, and I want to show you how HighLevel has integrated Canva into the HighLevel software platform, making it very easy and seamless for you to move information back and forth. Now, if you've ever done this before, you realize the kind of pain. It wasn't a huge pain, but you have to first of all, create the image. Then you have to sit back and download it from Canva. Then you have to upload that image directly into HighLevel media storage. Then if you ever needed to make a change, you'd have to change it and then do that whole process back again. HighLevel has made it easier. They've actually connected the media storage directly with Canva, allowing you to sit back and have updates, and not just necessarily updates, but allow you to pull any information, any projects that you currently have in Canva already. It allows you to move those into media storage, and then allows you to move anything from media storage directly into Canva, directly using this communication. Pretty cool. Stick around. Let's go take a look. Okay, so here we are inside of our demo account. I'm going to come down over here to the left to media storage because that's where everything is. Here's all your images. And again, right now it's just works with images. As far as I know, there's no video editing here or anything like that. But right now we want to come up here to the very top. Notice we've got this nice connect to Canva button. Pretty cool. So click connect to Canva. Very similar. It's going to open up a new window. Now I'm going to actually connect it to my Canva account. So this is going to connect to mine. Now I actually have a Mac. So I actually have the desktop version of this. And just to let you know, because it uses the desktop version, it won't be using the web interface here for this one. I'm actually using the local just Canva desktop app. So anyway, now that we've got this and it actually shows as being connected here, that's what you're looking for. First of all, one other thing before we get started, this integration only works with one account. So you can have one Canva account connected to one sub account, period. That is a limitation. I just want to make sure that you knew that. So right now, one of the cool things about this is whenever you get this connected, I need to blow this up a little bit so you can see it here. But on the menu, I'm just going to take this image right here. If you click on these three dots, notice that you now have this nice edit in Canva option that's in here. So that's pretty cool. So if I wanted to, I could just simply say, click here, edit in Canva. And right now it's going to open up this, says yes, always allow. Tries to go to the desktop version, but says no, you already have Canva app. So it's going to open up Canva app. And then boom, here we go. We've got this nice image that we can update, change, and things like that inside of Canva, edit it and manipulate it. Now, a couple of things I want to make sure that you understand about this. Once you download this, the way I just did in the Canva, it is not connected with the original image that you currently have in the media storage. Just to be aware of, that is its own independent entity. There is no two-way sync back and forth. So if I edit something here, then I'm going to have to take this image and put it back in another creation of this image, another version, if you will, back into the media library. I just want to make sure that you know that. So right now I'm just going to sit back and let me just do something here. Just make this thing, make it look like that I changed it. So that's all I was looking to do. Now I'm going to come back in here, get rid of this window. So as you see, this original image is protected. In case you ever do something inside of Canva, it won't ever mess up your original image that you currently have in HighLevel, which is cool. But now the thing that you might be thinking about is, that's great. You've got this little thing right here that says edit in Canva and it downloads it. Well, great, Ray. How do I get that thing back up? How do I get a new version? Thanks for asking. Right now, you want to go to this optional drop down right here for my media. And notice at the very bottom, you now have a Canva option. So now you can actually view Canva like you do some of these other ones. Like if you did Unsplash or Pixabay, if you ever search for those for different images on those platforms, you could do the exact same thing with Canva now. So this right here is just some of the images that I have inside of my Canva projects. So I was messing with some of these templates here, and here's the thank you image that we downloaded here. So we've got those, and then just some of the other images that I was using here. Like I said, I use it a lot for just different things, but it allows me to sit back and now get access to my Canva projects. And if I wanted to, I don't have to download those anymore and then upload those to media storage. Now that this is connected, I could just simply import these directly into media storage. So let's just take this right here. Take the drop-down list, and first of all, Let me blow this up a little bit here so we can see this. And I might need to move myself over just so you can see this. But if you click on this, we get this nice edit in Canva. And of course, we always did, but then import to media library. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. So now it's going to say what kind of format, regular, any of these particular options, boom, import this into the media library. So now it's going to take the image from Canva, and this could be projects that you've already created even beforehand. So now I'm going to switch this back into my media. And now if you take a look here, we notice that we now have this nice little high-level affiliate snapshot. This is the same image. I just simply moved it from Canva into HighLevel very quickly without having to do any downloads or whatever else, because there's connections now between HighLevel and Canva, allows that communication to go right across. So anyway, this is pretty cool. And again, if you want to edit it, you just simply come over here, edit the image inside of here. And then once you edit it, you can simply upload a new version of that document, and then you're all good to go. So right now I'm messing with Windows here, but it's pretty cool. I know this video is not very long, but I just want to at least show you how this cool thing works. And if you do use Canva for this, it could save you potentially multiple minutes. I'm not saying hours unless you're working on these a lot, but it could save you a lot of time if you have information in Canva. Again, you can come down here, highlight Canva, and simply do just simply click here, import, click import. Very quick and easy, and boom, now everything's inside of here. Or if you wanted to, click and download them. So anyway, hope you found the video useful. If you did, click on the like button, leave me a comment, and had a great day. Bye-bye.